Did you know that nearly 30% of drivers are unknowingly wasting fuel every time they hit the road? That's right. Small mistakes and bad habits could be draining your wallet faster than you think. But don't worry. In this video, we're uncovering the top 10 reasons your car might be consuming gas and, most importantly, how you can fix it. Stick around because these simple changes could save you hundreds of dollars at the pump. Let's get started. Reason number one, poor tire pressure. First up, underinflated tires. Think about riding a bicycle with flat tires. It takes way more effort to pedal, right? The same goes for your car. When your tires don't have enough air, they create extra rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder and burn more fuel. And here's the kicker. Just a few PSI below the recommended pressure can lower your fuel efficiency by up to 3%. The fix? Check your tire pressure at least once a month, and always keep it at the manufacturer's recommended PSI. It's a 5-minute task that can save you hundreds of dollars in fuel over time. Plus, properly inflated tires also last longer and improve your safety on the road. Reason number two, aggressive driving. Next, let's talk about aggressive driving. Many drivers don't realize how much fuel they waste by accelerating too hard or braking abruptly. When you step hard on the gas, your engine burns extra fuel to push the car forward faster. Then, when you brake suddenly, all that momentum is lost and you have to burn more fuel to get back up to speed. Instead, try to drive like you have a cup of coffee on the dashboard and don't want to spill it. Gradual acceleration and gentle braking keep your car moving efficiently and save gas. This technique is especially useful in stop-and-go traffic. Studies show that aggressive driving can reduce fuel economy by up to 40% in stop-and-go traffic. If you see a red light ahead, take your foot off the gas early and coast instead of rushing to stop. The smoother your drive, the more fuel you'll save over time. Reason number three, constantly changing speeds. Your car burns the most fuel when it's constantly changing speeds, so keeping a steady pace is one of the easiest ways to improve fuel economy. On highways, using cruise control can be a game changer because it prevents unnecessary acceleration. Every time you speed up, your engine works harder, and that burns extra fuel. A car moving at 65 miles per hour steadily is far more efficient than one fluctuating between 60 and 70 miles per hour repeatedly. Plus, steady driving reduces engine strain and wear, helping your car last longer. In city driving, anticipate traffic flow and adjust your speed smoothly rather than constantly speeding up and braking. Even a difference of just 5 miles per hour in unnecessary acceleration can make a big difference in gas mileage. Reason number four, using low-quality or wrong-octane fuel. Not all fuel is created equal. Cheap, low-quality fuel often contains fewer detergents and additives, leading to carbon buildup in your engine. This buildup reduces efficiency, forcing your engine to work harder and burn more gas. Over time, poor quality fuel can clog injectors and damage engine components, costing you even more in repairs. On the other hand, using a higher octane than required doesn't provide any fuel economy benefits unless your car is specifically designed for it. Some cheap fuels may also contain more ethanol, which has a lower energy density than gasoline, meaning your car has to burn more of it to produce the same amount of power. The fix is simple. Check your car's owner's manual. This manual specifies the correct octane level for your engine. Always use the manufacturer recommended fuel grade for optimal performance. Reason number five, excessive idling. Do you know excessive idling is a fuel killer? Many people still believe that restarting a car uses more fuel than idling, but that's a myth. Idling for more than a minute burns more gas than turning your engine off and restarting it. In fact, idling for just 10 minutes can waste up to half a gallon of fuel. If you're stuck in traffic for a long period, waiting for someone, or in a drive-through line, consider turning off your engine. Modern engines are designed to handle frequent restarts without damage. Many newer cars even come with automatic start-stop technology to improve fuel efficiency. In cold weather, idling to warm up your car for several minutes is unnecessary. Just start the engine and drive gently for the first few minutes instead. Reason number six, dirty air filter. Next, let's talk about a sneaky fuel waster, a dirty air filter. Imagine trying to breathe through a straw. Tough, right? That's exactly what happens when your engine's air filter gets clogged with dirt and debris. It restricts airflow, making your engine work harder and guzzle more fuel. In fact, a dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 10%. The fix is very simple. Just swap out that filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or clean it if it's reusable. If you drive in dusty areas, check it even more often. Not only will this save you fuel, but it will also boost your engine's performance and extend its lifespan. A simple fix with major benefits. Reason number 7, excessive use of air conditioning. Do you love blasting the AC on a hot day? But the fact is, while it keeps you cool, it also burns more fuel than you think. Air conditioning puts extra load on your engine, making it work harder and guzzle more gas. Running the AC on full blast can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 20%, especially in stop-and-go traffic. The fix? Use the AC wisely. Set it to a moderate level and avoid turning it on full power unless absolutely necessary. When driving at lower speeds, consider rolling down the windows instead. On highways, however, keeping windows up and using AC at a reasonable level is actually more fuel efficient. Smart AC use means more savings at the pump. Reason number 8, carrying too much weight. Think of your car like an athlete. The heavier it is, the harder it has to work. And that extra effort means extra fuel burn. You'd be surprised how many people drive around with heavy, unnecessary junk in their trunk. Every extra 100 pounds can reduce fuel economy by up to 2%. That might not sound like much, but over time it adds up. So if you've been hauling around that golf set, toolkit, or random stuff you don't use daily, it's time for a cleanup. Keeping your car as light as possible will make a noticeable difference at the gas pump. Plus, a lighter car means better acceleration and handling. Reason number 9, frequent short trips. Frequent short trips are fuel wasters because your engine runs most efficiently when fully warmed up. If you need to make multiple stops, try to group your errands into one longer trip rather than several small ones. Using navigation apps can help you find the shortest or least congested route, reducing stop-and-go traffic that drains fuel. Avoid rush hour whenever possible, since idling in traffic burns unnecessary gas. If you have multiple routes to choose from, take the one with the least number of stoplights and stop signs to keep your car moving smoothly. Efficient route planning not only saves fuel, but also reduces wear and tear on your vehicle. Reason number 10, old spark plugs. Worn-out spark plugs are another silent fuel waster. These little components ignite the fuel in your engine, and if they're misfiring, you're wasting gas. Over time, spark plugs wear out and cause incomplete combustion, which means unburned fuel gets wasted. Bad spark plugs can lower your fuel efficiency by up to 30%. The fix? Change your spark plugs every 30,000 miles or as recommended by your car's manual. If your engine is idling rough, struggling to start, or losing power, it's time for new plugs. Trust me, swapping them out is one of the easiest and cheapest ways to boost performance and fuel economy. And there you have it. These common fuel-wasting mistakes can add up fast. But now you know exactly how to fight back. Fix these simple issues, and you'll see a huge difference at the pump. Want more money-saving car tips? Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Until next video, drive smart and save big.